All right, so if you're watching this video, thank you for tuning in. What we're going to do today is talk about a way to develop an ab circuit to specifically target our lower abs, right? So in our first email, we talked about repositioning everything so the pelvis is in the right place and the right muscles are activating. Okay, so now we're going to use some props to ensure that the right muscles keep activating. One of the key things with this circuit is that our lower abs are postural muscles, okay, especially our transverse abdominis. So as we're going through this, we don't have to squeeze as hard as we can. We just have to keep those particular muscles on. So if you start to feel your upper abs take over or kind of other abs, kind of more up here take over, stop, okay? You should feel kind of lateral obliques here, and you should feel lower abs most of all, okay? So what we're going to do to help to amplify that is we're going to take a ball and just squeeze the ball between my knees. And if I'm just laying here squeezing, I can start to feel my lower abs just doing this, okay? We want to keep a connection with this. Now, our first exercise in this circuit is going to be what is called a reverse crunch. And with a reverse crunch, I'm literally just going to bring my knees to my elbows, okay? And again, keeping the ball squeezed, I'm slowly going to lower down, right? I'm just going to knock out a couple of these. So once again, I'm squeezing the ball between my knees, kind of amplify my lower abs. I come back. So with each one, just kind of check, do I feel my lower abs versus my upper abs, all right? If I want to make this harder, what I can do is straighten my legs out, go up overhead, and again, just lower down slowly, okay? And for me, I can still feel my lower abs because I've done this a lot. I'm a little bit stronger. But again, if this is too hard, then maybe go halfway or just start with a reverse crunch or even just a halfway version of that. Again, just trying to lower down slowly, all right? Now from here, keeping the ball between our knees, we're going to just, I've just looped the band around a post here, or I'm looping a band around a post. It's going to be done at a gym, or if you're at home, you can press the band into or shut it into a doorway or something like that. I'm going to press the band down and again, just squeeze the ball between my knees and just kind of do a form check here. Do I feel my lower abs, right? As soon as I've got that, I'm going to pick my feet up off the ground, making sure my back stays in the ground. I'm just going to extend my legs out, and I'm going to come back. And again, I'm just making sure that I continue to feel my lower abs. And the minute your back starts to come off the floor, you know you've done too much, okay? You know you've extended out too far. So again, I'm going to extend out as far as I can while feeling the right place, really squeezing the ball. That really helps me, making sure that I can still breathe. A way to kind of get your abs to activate is you can take a deep breath in at the top through the nose. And just blow out as if you're blowing out a balloon as you extend your legs up. Bring it back one more time. Deep breath in. Blow out. Extend the legs. Blow out. You don't have to do that per se, but that helps. All right. Again, 8 to 12 for that exercise. Our third one, we're just going to extend our legs out. I'm going to take the bands. I'm just going to push down and pull up a little bit. So again, keeping the back of the ground, I'm just pushing down, pulling up, pushing down, pulling up. Kind of like an exercise you might see in Pilates. But again, just doing that for 8 to 12 reps. I'm going to finish up in a completely different position here. I'll squeeze the ball between my knees here. I'll come into a plank position. Again, with a plank, this is what my body's going to want to do. You can kind of see how my back arches. So I want to pull my elbows back towards my knees. Kind of pull my knees towards my elbows. So if you look at what I'm doing here, I'm kind of trying to close those two spaces. I'm going to come up into a plank position. I'm just going to rock forward and back. We're really squeezing this ball as much as I possibly can. As you do this, you're really going to start to feel your lower abs, again, burn. And you can kind of do longer rocks to make it harder. You can do kind of shorter rocks or even just hold and breathe. Take a deep breath in. Blow out to make it easier, okay? So give that a go, maybe 2 to 3 rounds of 8 to 12 reps for each one, and your abs will be burning. The lower abs will be burning more specifically. Enjoy and good luck.